let's take a quick tour through how the endpoints are built. In API app.js, if you scroll down towards the end, you'll see the list of API routes. It's again a simple app. You can register, log in, or view yourself as a user. You can see things relating to movies, and you can see things related to people, and also see things related to genre. Let's do a simple one to start off with, the genre, which is an example endpoint. For the app to function, the endpoint gets exposed here in app.js. Next, you would go down to routes, genre.js, and see the get all function from the genres model, and go over here under models, genres.js, and see the query that is sent to the database to get all the genres. So I'm just going to copy and paste this one into the database. You can see all of the genres are returned. There's relatively few of them, so it doesn't kill the speed of the app. And in the Swagger UI, you can see the same results. If you hit try it out and execute, it'll respond with all the genres. A slightly more complicated example would be getting a movie by ID. There's two options with movies by ID. You can either get it with an ID and no authenticated user, or an ID and an authenticated user. For simplicity, let's do the one without a user. So when you're approaching a movie, you have an ID in mind. You go to the endpoint, you bounce over to routes, movies.js, find by ID is towards the top middle. You can see the parameters it takes, one of them being the ID that you're looking for. And over here in models, movies.js, you can see how the data is organized and returned to the user. You're asking for a single movie with details. And this is the query that allows you to collect all this information. Over in Swagger, in the documentation, if I'm looking for this particular movie, I would put it in here in the ID field, hit execute, and then see details about this particular movie, and also all the other nodes that are associated with this movie, like who are the actors, the director, the genre, and any related movies. If I were authenticated, then I would be able to see what rating I've given this movie, if any.